Hi guys, I will show you how did I fix my noisy first layer. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. But now it sounds pretty smooth. I'm using same files as reference. This is another example here. So there is the mk4. And now it sounds better compared before. Okay guys, my problem was the first layer noise. So the first that I did was to check this part, make sure it's not loose, then open the fan. So you will see those two big screws, they hold in the hot and nozzle. So in my case, they were loose. So what I did was to push the hot end all the way up and then retie the two big screws, and it helps. So now the noise is almost gone. So I hope you help you